we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 295. Let me talk about the mixer brush presets. You can find a mixer brush right here. B is the shortkey for the toolbox. Right click on it if you can't see it. And the presets can be found up here. By default should be set to custom, and then you can pick, for example, dry, which makes the wetness 0. And then there are different load values under dry. Moist will add a little bit of wetness. You can then adjust the mix. And then we have wet options, which increases the wetness, and then there are different loads. And the next category is then for different mixes. Let me clean the brush right here, and I've got the second option highlighted. This ensures that it will get cleaned again after every stroke. And I go over the edges here. I make that 25 pixels, and I use very wet light mix. If I left click drag, you can see the effect right here. So this is a load of 50%, wetness 10, and mix of 0. If you use dryness, there's not much of an effect. Let me go to moist. That's a low load, high mix. So you can see with these different presets, the effect will be totally different. Here a heavy mix and wetness. But that's not the only way to adjust it. Let me go back to custom. As I've said, that should be the default. And then we can use, for example, the brushes menu to pick your default brushes and the brush settings. Under window, just left click on these two options and the menus will pop up. And here I've shown you that in one of the first videos about the brush, the mixer brush. You can adjust the spacing for each of these, and you have a totally different result. So here it is the same custom that I've used on the left hand side, and now on the right it looks more like a dotted effect due to the spacing. So that's another value to keep in mind. Usually that's set to like 5%, maybe 25%. And also the roundness and angle, they play a role. So if I make that a little bit more compressed, it gives me a different result. Let me compress it even more. And let me close this. Now we have these very, very sharp edges. So there are a lot of adjustment options here, but I think I've covered the basics in these, I believe it's 5 or 6 videos that I've made about the mixed brush tool. Just one more thing to add: whenever you get lost, just click on one of the default brushes right here, and this will reset roundness, angle, hardness, and spacing. And you can also do that on the top left. So right here, just use the soft round or hard round, and this will reset it. And then you can start fresh with these default brushes. Alright, that's all that I wanted to talk about when it comes to the mixer brush. We'll dive into other tools in the following videos.